Prompt engineering is still important, but in 2026, prompting alone is not enough. Many people know how to ask AI a question, but they still struggle to get useful, reliable, work-ready results. Prompting simply means giving AI instructions. A good prompt tells the AI its role, the task, the context, the format you want, and any constraints it must follow. Without these, AI will often give you a generic answer. Bad instructions create bad output. When the prompt is unclear, the answer becomes vague. When there is no context, the answer becomes too general. When there is no output format, the answer may be messy and difficult to use. The next upgrade is context. Instead of only asking better questions, you need to give AI better information. That could be files, examples, data, company policies, audience details, or the goal behind the task. Better input leads to better output. For work, AI also needs to understand the process. What is the first step? What is the next step? Who needs to review it? What happens after the draft is created? This is where AI starts moving from simple prompting into workflow thinking. This part is important. I can sound very confident and still be wrong. So humans must still check facts, numbers, tone, policies, and sources. AI is useful, but it should not replace professional judgment. Privacy also matters. Do not blindly paste confidential information into AI tools. Be careful with customer details, passwords, internal documents, financial information, and sensitive business data. Using AI well also means using it safely. So the 2026 AI skill set is not only prompting, it is prompt, context, workflow, and review. You need to instruct clearly, provide useful information, understand the work process, and review the output responsibly. Build the basics before going advanced. Free videos help you understand. Hands-on classes help you apply. Visit the AIHQ.net/shop to choose the learning path that matches your current AI level.